Justice has finally caught up with one of Washington's most controversial figures, James Comey, the ex-FBI director who once held the nation's security in his hands. But here's where it gets controversial. This indictment isn't just about lies. It's a seismic shift in a decade-long political drama that has polarized the country. And this is the part most people miss. The clock was ticking on the statute of limitations, making this case a legal race against time. Comey, 64, now faces 2 felony charges, false statements and obstruction of justice, for alleged misconduct tied to his 2020 testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee. If convicted, he could spend up to 5 years in prison. The case, assigned to Judge Michael Nachmanoff, a Biden appointee, marks a historic moment. Comey is the highest-ranking federal official ever charged in connection to the Russiagate investigation. His legal team, led by former prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald, will have their work cut out for them. President Trump, ever the showman, have thrown his full support behind the indictment. On Truth Social, he called Comey one of the worst human beings this country has ever seen, and declared it a victory for justice in America. But critics argue this is less about justice and more about settling old scores. Should political loyalty ever shield someone from legal consequences? Or is this a long overdue reckoning for a system that's too often bent to power? We'll let you decide. The charges stem from Comey's 2020 Senate hearing, where he denied authorizing leaks to the media about Trump and Clinton investigations. Prosecutors allege he lied, pointing to internal FBI records that suggest he approved leaks through an unnamed source. This isn't the first time Comey's honesty has been questioned. In 2017, he admitted to leaking memos about Michael Flynn via a Columbia University professor. And in a 2018 DOJ report, former Deputy Director Andrew McCabe claimed Comey supported leaks about Hillary Clinton's email server. Yet Comey insists he never gave the green light. Who's telling the truth? The evidence is murky, but the legal battle ahead will force clarity. Comey's personal fallout has been just as dramatic. His son-in-law, Troy Edwards, resigned as a federal prosecutor shortly after the indictment, citing his oath to the Constitution. Edwards' wife, Maureen Comey, was recently fired from the DOJ and filed a lawsuit over her dismissal. Meanwhile, Trump's allies are fuming. The president has publicly pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to pursue cases against Comey, Adam Schiff, and Letitia James, calling their inaction a betrayal of justice. But is this political theatre? Or is the DOJ finally holding powerful figures accountable? The lines are blurring. The broader implications are staggering. FBI Director Kash Patel framed the indictment as part of a mission to expose the Russiagate hoax, while Comey himself lamented the costs of standing up to Donald Trump. As the trial looms, one thing is clear. This case isn't just about Comey. It's about whether America's institutions can transcend partisan divides. And here's a question we want your take on. If truth is the currency of democracy, who gets to decide what it is? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're eager to hear from you.